Prevent blood clot with these 13 amazing foods. Blood clots are a crucial component of wound healing, both internally in blood vessels and externally at the sites of injury. When you suffer an injury, your blood turns from liquid to partly solid, forming gel-like collections in your arteries or veins. However, a blood clot can be extremely harmful if it prevents blood from getting to vital organs or tissues. When a blood clot develops in an unintended location and results in a cardiac arrest, stroke, or other grave medical issues. Blood-thinning drugs may be necessary for people with certain medical disorders, such as heart conditions, in order to lower their heart attack risk or stroke. Your doctor would likely recommend a blood-thinning medicine if you have a high probability of getting blood clots. Although these medications help lower the risk of blood clots, they have substantial adverse effects and neglect to address numerous underlying risk factors. Naturally occurring blood thinners may also aid in the prevention of blood clots. These incredible blood clot-preventing foods may function naturally as blood thinners and may lower the risk of clots. In this video, we compiled a list of 13 amazing foods that will help prevent blood clots. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we upload videos like this. Ready? What are the blood clot preventing foods that you should eat? Number 1. Garlic. Garlic is believed to have a variety of health advantages, including the potential to disperse potentially dangerous platelet clumps in the bloodstream. Garlic powder and garlic oil, both of which are odorless, have been shown to have antithrombotic actions, according to a study that was housed in the National Library of Medicine. A drug known as an antithrombotic agent works to prevent blood clots from forming. If you already use prescription blood thinner, eating less garlic is a safer option. Number 2. Ginkgo biloba. A native of China, the ginkgo biloba is frequently referred to simply as ginkgo. Ginkgo biloba tree leaves have been employed by traditional Chinese medicine practitioners for thousands of years. Stanford Medicine claims that numerous substances in ginkgo biloba suppress platelet activation and aggregation, as well as encourage the dissolution of blood clots. You should refrain from taking ginkgo biloba if you take a prescription blood thinner, such as aspirin, Coumadin or warfarin, or clopidogrel or Plavix. Number 3. Turmeric. Turmeric, a golden spice that has both culinary and medicinal uses, has been used by humans for a very long time. The active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, may have some anti-clotting properties. Studies on animals and in the lab have shown that it may have antithrombotic properties. Curcumin is anti-inflammatory and reduces oxidative stress, in accordance with the National Library of Medicine. Number 4. Ginger. In addition to being used as a culinary spice and medicinal herb, ginger has been shown in studies to have cardioprotective effects on lipid levels, inflammatory cytokine levels, blood pressure, and platelet aggregation. It contains salicylate, a natural acid that helps blood coagulate by triggering the production of specific clotting components. According to a National Library of Medicine observational study, more research is required to clarify ginger's impact on blood coagulation. Number 5. Cayenne peppers. Salicylates, which are abundant in cayenne peppers and have potent blood-thinning properties, are another component. Additionally, it strengthens the capillaries and arteries. The chemical ingredient capsaicin, which is found in cayenne pepper, has been shown in a study to improve blood circulation and aid in the prevention of blood clots. Number 6. Cinnamon. People from all around the world have been using the powerful spice cinnamon for medicinal purposes even since ancient times. There contains coumarin, which is a powerful blood thinner that may be found in cinnamon. Cinnamon is one of many natural blood thinners. Thus it is best to take it in only very modest amounts while concurrently taking other natural blood thinners. Number 7. Fish oil. Thrombotic events like heart attack, stroke, and deep vein thrombosis are reduced by fish oil and omega-3 fatty acids. Some types of fish, as well as the oil that is extracted from those species, include lipids that are beneficial to human health, and that experts recommend individuals include in their diets on a regular basis. The National Library of Medicine states that human clinical trials conclusively demonstrate the antiplatelet effects of marine omega-3 fatty acids. In other words, it stops platelets from congregating and producing blood clots. Fish oil does have some advantages, but they are not always obvious, and they can also have unpleasant side effects. Number 8. Willow bark. Salicin, a salicylate derivative found in willow bark, explains why it has blood-thinning characteristics. Willow bark is used for a wide variety of ailments, however, there is little to no scientific evidence supporting its usage for anything from back pain to osteoarthritis to the flu to muscle discomfort. Number 9. Grape seed extract. The bitter grape seed is removed, dried, and ground into grape seed extract or GSE, a dietary supplement. Grape seeds include a high concentration of polyphenols, which have beneficial effects on health due to their ability to reduce oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and protect the cardiovascular system. Number 10. Pomegranate. Antioxidant, viral, and tumor-fighting properties are all present in pomegranates. Vitamins A, C, E, and folic acid are all abundant in them. Compared to wine or green tea, this superfruit has 3 times as many antioxidants. Consuming pomegranate seeds is beneficial for avoiding the formation of blood clots because they prevent the platelets in the blood from sticking together and coagulating. Number 11. Olive oil. In observational and animal research, it has been discovered that olive oil lowers the risk of venous and arterial thrombosis. Unsaturated fats like extra virgin olive oil or EVOO, according to Canadian researchers at the Keenan Research Centre for Biomedical Science, KRCBS, at St. Michael's Hospital in Toronto, can guard against the development of lethal blood clots that can result in strokes or heart attacks. Number 12. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate blood clot preventing foods edited scaled. An increasing body of scientific evidence supports the idea that dark chocolate has health advantages. According to Johns Hopkins University researchers, eating a small amount of dark chocolate every day may help lower your risk of getting a blood clot. Some types of chocolate are healthier for you than others. The dark chocolate bar, in comparison, has less sugar and a healthy amount of fat. Natural cocoa butter does not block arteries. Thus, a high-fat, antioxidant-rich meal reduces heart disease risk. Number 13. Tomato. The beloved tomato, which is used in many sauces and salads, could also be a powerful weapon in the battle for good health. Tomato juice may help type 2 diabetes patients avoid heart problems. Did you find this helpful? Let us know in the comments. Follow the Plant Tube for more plant-iful information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.